Hello everyone, my name is Alexander, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another video. Today in this video I will talk about how to repair, replace, in my case remove an LCD screen on my Lenovo G50 70. If you like my video, please press the like button and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Okay, so before we start, make sure to unplug the power cable and make sure to remove the battery. So in the first place, we have to remove this shiny frame. You can use something sharp or you can use your nails, like I did, but I recommend to use something sharp. When you remove the frame, make sure to not break it or anything else. After you removed the frame, you have 4 screws. 2 screws on the bottom and 2 on the top. I will start by removing the 2 screws on the bottom. After that, I will remove the other 2 screws on the top. And now, after removing all 4 screws, you must unplug that wire by pulling it upwards. Okay, so that's all you have to do to remove an LCD. And to replace it, you must do all the steps I did, but in reverse. So that's all for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed my video. If my video was helpful, please give a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more, I hope, useful videos, and don't forget to press the bell button so this way you will get notified when a new video appears and you will not miss any of my videos. Thank you for watching, see you soon.